Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I found this amazing puffy iron-on vinyl on Amazon, and I've been making a few things with it, and I absolutely love this vinyl. Getting ready to make another t-shirt, and I thought I would just hop on really quick and we would make it together so you guys could see how awesome this puffy vinyl is. And we're gonna go ahead and do this project over in Cricut Design Space. And I was actually making this shirt for myself. So let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see this. So all I did here so far was just new project, and then you would just insert your text and just type whatever it is that you want to do, or you can do an image. Okay, so we're ready to go ahead and hit make it on the mat, confirm. And because this is an iron-on, we need to mirror the image. So we're going to hit continue. And then I'm just going to select everyday iron-on. And I love that Cricut Design Space reminds you to make sure that you're mirroring the image and that the iron-on material is shiny side down. And then we're gonna go ahead and load the mat. So this is the puffy vinyl that I found on Amazon. It's by Trans Wonder, and you actually get 30 sheets of the puffy vinyl, and they're in 12 different colors. So you get everything from blue and purples and pinks, and they're just really pretty shades. I was super excited about that. I thought that was a pretty good deal, and it was only like around $17 or a little under 18. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. We're gonna go ahead and place this shiny side down on the mat. I always like to use my brayer just to go over it, make sure it's adhered pretty good to the mat, and then we're ready to go ahead, place it in the Cricut and hit go. Once it's done cutting, I just took it off the mat and we needed to weed it. And I'm setting it to 320 degrees. I also like to put something in between the shirt when I'm doing an iron-on. You can use cardstock paper, or you can use the fabric mat, whatever works for you. I'm gonna go ahead and use cardstock paper today. We are gonna go ahead and pre-press the shirt to take the moisture out. We're just gonna do that for like 15 seconds. So this is the image I'm going to use. I kind of like to just kind of fold it in half a little bit and kind of match up the two letters. I'm not gonna bending the letters or anything, but I'm just kind of getting a middle mark. So where the middle is, so I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this and place this eyeballish on the shirt. And then I try to do like 3 fingers down. So that actually looks perfect. And we're going to use parchment paper, and we're just going to press it for 15 seconds. It's been 15 seconds. You can see how its texture is 3D, puffy, so cute. And then you see where the C is, that part did not heat up. So what I'm gonna do is just place it in the auto press for another 15 seconds. So that was perfect, that's all it needed. And then you wanna just wait a little bit to take it off. So I don't know, it's been like 30 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off. This is, I don't even know if you guys can see how awesome this is. It just has such a neat texture to it. I absolutely love this. Let me move this in. I think this is the coolest thing. It's just, first of all, the pink is awesome. Let me make sure I stop moving it around so you guys can see. It has like that neat puffy texture to it. And I just think this is the neatest vinyl. So I just wanted to jump on and share. So I don't know if you guys seen this vinyl yet. Have you done anything with this vinyl? Well, that's it, guys. If you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button on the way out. And comment below, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.